జమ్మూ కాశ్మీర్ నుండి ముఖేష్ మనతో మాట్లాడేందుకు లైన్లో ఉన్నారు. ముఖేష్ గారు, వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ పొజిషన్?
How are you, sir?
Fine. How is there now?
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for your question.
Yeah. How is there now in Jammu and Kashmir?
Sir, it's everything is locked down right now. Tests are going on. Government is taking very good action. Each and every hot point is, broken from the city. And it's very good to see the people. They are cooperating here also. And the central government, how they are working, it's out of words.
Right.
What I can say.
Who are the carriers there?
You know that the first carrier was from the Tablighi Jamaat, who came from the Nizamuddin to Kashmir. He was the first one.
Yeah. All are the identified there?
What, sir?
All are the identified? All the Tablighi
No,
Jamaat
lots of
people?
No. Lots of people are even hidden, I think so. Lots of people. But government and central government and police are taking very hard actions. And maybe they will come out, but nobody is sure what is happening right now.
Right.
But
Their
government
contact
is doing
people
what they
also
can
identified or not?
do. What, sir?
Their contact people. These people came there and these people met some people. All are identified or not?
Obviously, sir, they are people who sits in Jamaat. Jamaat means people who are surrounded by 100, 200 people.
Yeah.
And these people went to the masjids and all the things. You can't control them.
Yeah.
That is how can you tell? That is their culture.
Yeah. Just a
Even
moment.
when they eat, they don't eat alone. They eat with 4, 5 people in one plate. That's their culture. So you can't stop them.
Right.
It's very hard.
Sridhar garu.
It's very hard. Yes,
Mukesh,
yes,
I'm happy to see from a call from Jammu Kashmir. It's lovely to hear your voice.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
You have seen
And
the
I want to
difference.
say you one thing, sir. I came from outside Russia,
Okay.
and I was also in the
Quarantine.
in the quarantine period in hospital.
Okay.
And my test was also taken.
Okay.
And I'm happy to say the government how they are working. I'm a citizen of India. For me, I think the government has invested about 15 to 20,000 rupees on one person, because they took me from the airport to the hospital. They give me the PP kit. They give me the N95 mask for 5 to 6 masks. They give me the sanitizer. They give me the food for 5 days, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I think they give me the ambulance to come home. And I was in a quarantine for 14, 15 days. And the total cost, what I thought for per person, what government is, giving right now for per person who is coming from abroad, it is about 15 to 10,000 rupees. And you know how much money they had invested for this coronavirus to crack it down.
Right.
So my big salute to the government, to the central government, and to the all people who are fighting for it, to the all people. I think the people should come themselves to show if they have symptoms, if they want to save the society. But it is very hard to reach the people who are uneducated, and they, we can't. For them, the religion is on first, then the humanity, and it is shameful. It is really shameful. We should come out together, and we should fight this corona together. And hands up to Modi sir, and hands up to to this country. With this big population, we have only 13,000 or 14,000 cases. Hands off to Modi sir. That's it, sir.
Right.
What I
I
want
have
to say.
noticed that in Jammu Kashmir, the government has given all the textbooks to all the school children. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir. I have been in Jammu and Kashmir a lot. To save the Jammu Kashmir, only to save the people of Jammu Kashmir, there is intelligence.
Right.
And you know how much money India throw to the intelligence so that they can keep calm and good. 90s this war started. I was a baby. I was a small baby. I flew from Kashmir without anything, and we came to Delhi. We didn't even have something to eat. That's our reality. And how we faced the situation, how we got back in 20, 30 years. It's our community, because we were educated. Otherwise, we had been done. Government has done everything for Kashmir, but there were some muftis and there were some,
Yeah, I understand.
the
Yesterday-
people,
yesterday and
what do you
today-
call them?
Mr.
the
Ashish.
presidents, they
Mukesh,
call them
Mukesh.
presidents.
Ashish Mukesh.
They have taken all the money.
Yeah,
Right.
Ashish Muke. Yesterday and today,
Yes, sir.
Jammu Kashmir government is distributing all the government textbooks to all the children in Jammu Kashmir.
I know, sir.
Yeah.
I know, sir. I know,
Right.
sir. I
Okay,
know,
fine,
sir.
fine.
Government from
Yeah.
day first, government is doing everything for Jammu and Kashmir.
రైట్
But
థ్యాంక్ యూ
people are
ఆశిష్ జీ
different.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఇది పరిస్థితి ఓ పక్కన జమ్మూ కాశ్మీర్ లాంటి చోట్ల కూడా ఇదే విధమైనటువంటి సమస్య ఎదురవుతుంది.